Patriotism lives not just in a song, but in doing what's the right, not wrong.
Sepoy Iqbal Singh would never charge ahead for glory. He would always be the last man in the line to make sure that no one was left behind. Courage is not in big words, it is in quiet choices.
Patriotism is not only about long speeches and parades.
It isn't found in a hollow shot or flags that wave when sun is out.
This poem of patriotism is not just a challenge. It is the enthusiasm of soldiers to fight for their country.
With saffron white and green so bright, it fills our heart with pride and might.
We thank him today and always say, "You are our hero in every way." I love my nation, rich and wise.
Freedom is not free, and every single peaceful night back home came at a price. If I have 2 minutes, I will speak from my heart, not about money or treasure, but about my path.
A people everywhere joined in and celebrate the big movement.
Hoist the flag of trumpet and victory to shine the glorious beauty of India.
At Rajpath, the banners fly, reaching up to meet the sky.
In soldiers awake through darkest nights, in farmers standing for their rights.
I love this land with all my heart and promise to do my part.
For patriotism is a seed planted by a simple deed. She trained hard to become an helicopter pilot, one of the toughest roles in the Air Force. As a young girl, Gunjan dreamed of flying high in the sky.
High in the frozen jagged mountains of Europe, a unit of soldiers found themselves in a nightmare.
On 13th April 1990, a tragedy took place at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar.
Its flag is stitched with sacrifice and grace.
I am here safe and sound, now with my family on my own ground. Has not lost its way into dreary desert sand and dead habit. That while many people are just singing for the country, only a few are working for the country. From soldier's step to farmer's hand, duty first, that's how we stand.
Patriotism is standing up for someone who serves our country.
Broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls.
Awake, arise, the hour is late. Arise, O slumbering nations awake.
I understood that freedom doesn't ask us to die for the nation. It asks us to live sincerely and honestly towards it.
With everyone we will spread the thread of love, of peace and of India's pride. Together we will walk side by side.